Hello everyone, welcome to Olsen Cafe. Are you having trouble in converting percentage to fraction? So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to do this conversion. To do conversion, we must first understand what is the meaning of percent. So let's revise how to convert these percentages. So basically, percent means per 100 or out of 100. So therefore, for us to convert percentage to fraction, what we will need to do is step 1, we will have to divide it by 100. And then what we do is we will simplify it using highest common factor. Now, so let's take a look at these 4 examples. So 5%, so it simply means 5 out of 100. All right, and then we want to simplify this to the simplest form. So we will need to identify the highest common factor, which is divided by 5 in this case. So therefore, I simplify, I will have 1 over 20. Now let's take a look at the other example, which is 18%. So for 18%, it is the same as 18 out of 100. And what we need to do is we will need to identify the highest common factor. So between 18 and 100, the highest common factor, it is actually 2. So therefore, I divided by 2 and I simplified it. I will get 9 out of 50. Now let's take a look at a bigger number, which is 60%. So we apply the same step. So 60 out of 100. And then what is the common factor between the two? All right. Most students at this point, they will just simply divide it by 2 and divide by 2, so on and so forth. But over here, if you are able to identify the highest common factor, it is actually 20. So I can easily simplify the fraction within one step. So with this, I'm able to get the answer, which is 3 over 5. Now let's look at the next example, which is 125%. This number is a little bit bigger, all right, than the first 3 examples. So over here, what you notice is that 125, this number is already more than 100. But not to worry, we apply the same steps as what we have done previously. So we are going to take 125 divided by 100, and I'm going to simplify using highest common factor, which is divided by 25 over here. And then same 100, I divide by 25. So to simplify this, what I will get is actually an improper fraction. You can always simplify further and to let it become 1 and 1/4. But it is fine to leave it as 5 out of 4. Now that we have revised the basic of what is percent, now we can take a look at this more complex fraction. This is a type of fractions whereby students actually tend to make mistake. Yeah, so let's move on. So what we need to do is we see a mixed fraction over here. So before we actually convert, what we will want to do is we want to change 37.5 into improper fraction. Yeah, so to do this, I will simply take 37 times 2 and then I plus 1. So this, it will be equals to 75 over 2 as an improper fraction. Now, so let's again apply what we understand about percent. So percent simply means, all right, out of 100 or divide by 100. So therefore, I'm going to take 75 over 2 divided by 100. Now, once we are here, then we can actually apply what we learned earlier on, which is keep, change, and flip. So I'm going to keep 75 over 2, and I'm going to change the divide sign to multiply, and then 100, I flip, I will get 1 over 100. So with this, I'm going to get 75 over 200, and I'm going to apply step 2, that is to simplify using the highest common factor. So again, the highest common factor over here, it is actually 25. So please do not divide 5 and 5 and 5, so you will have many steps. Yeah, so the highest common factor, it is actually 25. So by using this, I'm able to simplify it to 3 over 8. So this will be the answer. So with this, I hope you find this video useful. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.